Real estate is a competitive sport, not for the weak or mealy-mouthed. It can be ruthless, heartbreaking, backstabbing, and hateful, and that's just the agents. Clients can occasionally be worse. We all know the feeling of a deal that goes sideways, not because of the market, but because of the people involved. It's a high-stakes game where emotions run high, and the pressure never truly lets up. We feel it daily. Every seasoned professional has a little black book, agents they never want to work with again, ever. Show me an experienced agent who has never been burned by a friend, family member, or client in their career, and possibly after showing them their 47th house. And I'll show you a new agent whose license ink is still wet. So do we really support our peers or judge them from a safe distance? We call ourselves self-policing, yet complaints can be disruptive. Complaints are time-consuming, emotional, and take away from business. Sometimes we choose let them, protect our peace, and move forward. I have. Was it always right? I don't know. Serious unethical conduct must still be handled appropriately, but a sloppy BINSR, missed deadline, or cringe TikTok does not always signal corruption. Often it's just a lack of training. Sometimes an agent simply does not know what they do not know. That is where we can improve as an industry, together. When DocuSign first appeared, yes, I remember real estate before e-signatures, and I taught older agents in my office to use it. A friend said I was giving away my competitive advantage. Being high-tech did distinguish me then, but it's different now. But the argument seems ridiculous now. Why hide progress? Imagine withholding DocuSign knowledge to preserve technological dominance. Scarcity thinking says another person becoming better makes us less valuable. It says their growth equals my loss. I reject that. I share what worked, what failed spectacularly, and what I learned. Better agents improve the client experience, the transaction, and cooperation. They may also trust and collaborate with me more. Quid pro quo. When I opened Brokers Hub Realty, I wanted agents closing at least 12 transactions annually and pursuing associate broker licenses. Commitment was key. I wanted experienced peers committed to the craft, high standards. That came from a real desire for higher standards and frustration. With part-timers, I believed brought the industry down. I was frustrated. I have grown over the decade and, like my Greek-looking body, softened. I still support 12 transactions as a goal and believe in broker licenses. But many agents want to excel and get lost in details, overwhelmed about where to begin, or bamboozled by shiny object syndrome. They end up discouraged, broke, and ready to quit. It's a tough path. That does not always mean lazy or incapable, not at all. Sometimes nobody showed them how to build correctly from the start. I committed myself and my brokerage to helping change that. We do. We offer free monthly CE classes open beyond BHR. I mentor newer agents, including those who may never join us. Why? Because it's invigorating. Watching someone improve is invigorating. Their success doesn't take from mine. There is plenty of pie for all of us. The industry is vast. We cannot demand public respect while complaining about poorly prepared agents and refusing to help them improve. That is a hypocritical stance. Next time an agent writes a sloppy BINSR, misses something obvious, or posts a TikTok that makes you cringe, pause before scolding them. Offer help. Ask whether they understand the form or process. Share the form, process, class, checklist, or lesson that helped you. It takes a few minutes, but it can save a career. Pay it forward. Like the airport, if you see something, say something. Vigilance. Not everything requires punishment. Sometimes it just requires a conversation. That conversation may prevent a larger error, protect future clients, improve your next deal together, and keep a name out of the black book. Professionalism is not only how well we perform, it is what we contribute to the profession around us. It's about our shared legacy. Elevating the standard trademark cannot mean standing on a higher floor, criticizing everyone below. It means helping build the staircase. What are you doing to elevate the standard? Who have you helped improve? What knowledge are you guarding like a competitive secret, even though sharing it could strengthen the industry? Ask yourself. Another agent's success does not diminish yours. Sometimes helping them rise is exactly what elevates you. We rise together. I'm Nicholas Yale with Brokers Hub Realty. You'll be hearing more from me soon, promise.